So we were taking pictures of the cattle, and now the cattle are following us. And they're just coming closer and closer. I don't know why they're following. I am a little hesitant and afraid that they might charge, but hoping that won't happen. Yeah, they're just nice. Nice cattle. And there's the rest of them, but I stopped to take the video. And there they are, just following. It's so strange. Where is their herder? Maybe he's herding them this way. That's probably what it is. They're not following us at all. He's all the way in the back there. He's herding them this way. Oh, I feel much better now.